Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Aisyah with NPM 2021125000730 from class R4A. In this video, I will explain my teaching experience and tips for teaching to fulfill the academic speaking assignment with the theme The Nature of Teaching and Learning. Learning can be defined as acquiring knowledge, attitudes, or skills, while teaching is defined as helping another person to learn. I was once given the opportunity to teach at one of the tutoring places, and at that time, I was teaching about global warming. There are many challenges that I face while teaching. One of the challenges I get is dealing with students who have various kinds of personalities, which of course I have to master in different ways from one student to another. Back to global warming. In teaching, the first thing I have to do is explain to students what global warming is. I explain clearly so students can understand what I mean, and in between explaining, I interact with students to ask whether it is clear and understand what is explained or not. If students feel that they understand what I have explained, I will usually give them assignments regarding the discussions that day, namely global warming. Having teaching experience is something that I am grateful for because while teaching, I also learn more about what I have to teach students. Even if there are students who know more about the material presented, I can add insight and learn more from it. So, I have great feedback. Teachers should be able to find the right method so that students can capture the material well. There are many teaching methods that teachers can apply in teaching. The first is that the teacher must prepare the material well, completely and clearly. Teachers must be able to master the material to be delivered so that when teaching in class, teachers are able to give the material well and can answer all questions if there are students asking. The second is that teachers must have the courage to teach. The enthusiasm that a teacher has for learning will make the students enthusiastic about learning, and it can also be conveyed to the students in the classroom. The third is that teachers can choose the media and learning methods that are suitable. The media and methods used by teachers will make it easier for students to understand the materials taught. The fourth is that teachers should have special rules when teaching. Teachers should be an example of how to behave and also have rules that educate in the classroom. This is aimed at enabling students to behave and be able to implement the rules that the teacher has already applied well. And the last one is to give appreciation to students who are diligent and passionate about learning. If the student is able to do the task well and diligently, then the teacher should give an appreciation either in the form of a good value or a reward or praise to the students so that the student feels appreciated and will increase their learning spirit. Well, I think it's enough from me. Apologize in advance if there is a grammatical or pronunciation error. I end the video here. Goodbye and I hope you have a beautiful day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.